Welcome everyone. In this video, let's look at how you can navigate through namespaces in the service graph. So when you first arrive at the service graph, what you have is an abstracted topographical view of network flow in the cluster. Again, when I say abstracted, what I mean by that is all the blue icons that you see here are namespaces. So at a glance, by looking at the service graph, you can identify, which namespaces are communicating with which other namespaces in the cluster, or even to services or IP addresses outside the cluster. Okay. Now, if you want to navigate through namespaces and go into a namespace to identify the workloads in a namespace, you can double click on a namespace, and once inside the namespace, all the maroon icons here either represent individual workloads, like in this case, or they would represent a service. And you can double click on a service to identify the workloads backing a particular service. Okay. Now, on the left here, you have the hierarchy. And in this case, we've navigated to the Hipster namespace, and we are currently looking at the currency service in the Hipster namespace. Okay. Now, if you want to navigate back to the global view, you can click on namespaces here, and you arrive at the global view. It's also possible to expand the pane in the left. And in cases where you have a large number of namespaces, you can type a keyword, and based on that, Calico will filter out the namespaces. You can click on the results here, and the respective namespace would be highlighted in the service graph, and that way you could easily navigate through namespaces. You can also right click on the results here and click on expand, in which case you would go into the namespace and you'll be able to see the workloads inside the namespace and the other services as well as the other namespaces they would be communicating with. Okay. And once again, you can click on namespaces to go back to the global view. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's a quick video to help you understand how you can navigate through namespaces. That's it for this one. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.